fucking it lives. So we're gonna show this man some love today by playing with him. Hopefully I can find Birthright here. The Birthright would be busting with this character. Unlike with Tainted Jacob. With Tainted Jacob, that shit only brings nothing but misery. Damn, bro. I can't believe it, man. The game gave me a dead end. Those coins might get annoying, but it's a new goofy ass mod I saw, so I had to download it, man, you know? Might get a little bit irritating occasionally, but we roll with it. Oh. This shit, it pickaxe good. I just gotta be careful not to fucking kill myself now, bro. I'm not gonna bother going into flip just because I could care less about whatchamacallit. You know what? We have to do it, bro. We gotta do it. I see that black candle back there, bro. We gotta do. Perfect. Let's go. Might as well grab it and use it. Yoink. Now, poor Jacob got nothing on his name, bro. Jacob. I mean, poor normal Laz. There you go. There goes my black card I just got from Black Candle. Very nice, very nice. No cat, no cat. At least we're going to the boss fight with Dead Laz, which has the most damage. Wait. No, it'd be around here. No. Here? Oh. Might as well bust a hole through here so I can grab that. Pop. Okay, so it has to. Super secret room has to be up here. Oh yeah, I forgot. Break those rocks too. Get my cash. I probably didn't even need a fucking blow up donation machine at this point. There it is. It's probably gonna be useless. You know, not too shabby. We take those. We take those. Got some protection for Dead Laz here too. Not bad, not bad.
Paralysis.
Oh, paralysis. Alright, that wasn't a horrible secret room. I take it, I take it. We got some keys, we got a few bombs. We take it. Order? Nope. You know, shut up! Yeah, fuck it. Might as well. Got the explosions. We're gonna waste some time trying to see if there's a trap door around these parts. Highly doubt it though. Doesn't hurt to check. Nope. Figured as much. Alright, who would be all Little Horn? My tears are too slow, man. They can't reach fucking Little Horn on time, bro. Bro keeps on fucking dipping. You know, okay, I'll take that. Alive Laz needs damage, so I'll take that. Verb. Ah, yes. I verped the paralysis. Very bussin', bro. Very mucho poggers. I know where secret room can't be anymore then. Okay, this is gotta be fucking irritating. That one's a little bit annoying. Alright, what we got in here? Oh! Oh my god, bro. It's actually here, Birthright. Alright. We're gonna get this flip first because your boy does want that Poke Go as well. If I could get a Vis from Poke Go. Ooh. Oh wait. Now that I'm thinking about it, Birthright might not be a good idea here. Mainly because I'm gonna have the fucking Ipecac shots when I'm playing as fucking Alive Laz too, and that might fuck me over. But you know what? We still take them. We still take that Birthright, bro. Give me that shit. Yeah, I don't know if this is gonna be a problem or not. We shall see. We shall see. I'm hoping it won't be a problem, but who knows, man. Any super secret here? Yep, there it is. What we got? Could be good if we have a super, Would be good if we had a sacrifice room. So we'll keep that. Oh wait, it's right there from the reminder mod. So we do have a. Yep, there it is. All right, that's pretty bussin' then, bro. Ah, wait, but we don't got no charges for flip. I don't think there was a battery in shop either. Secret room right here? No. Mayhaps here then. No. I don't want to lose this bone heart just yet. No wait, we don't have enough fucking money. No wait, we didn't try this wall yet. No? Hey, where is it? It has to be it's probably attached to my fucking item room if anything, huh? That's where secret room has to be. Oh wait, Mark Rock. Oh. Sheesh, the jams, give me that shit. Goofy ass cat mod. Goofy ass cat coin mod, bro. You know what? Yoink, pop. More heart canisters. We might have to give up on getting Alive Laz an item here. Here, Dead Laz will get the Angel Deal. Alive Laz will get Angel Deal. I mean the other way around. Dead Laz is getting the Angel Deal. Alive Laz is getting Double Deal. Drop. I guess nothing. I thought I heard something get picked up, but yeah. Wait, did I say fucking deal for Alive? Jesus Christ. Alive Lads gets item room. There you go. There we go. That's what I meant to say. Oh yeah, unless we get no teleport here. If we don't get a teleport, it is what it is. Hopefully we get the teleport. Oh! Oh! Dead Dove would have been fucking amazing too. That's for damn sure. Oh, what can we do about it? Alright. Fires, gotta go. Can't be risking that shit shooting at me when I'm, you know, trying to fight this angel here. Stairway's a good pickup though, that's for sure. Easy claps, thanks to Epic Cat. So that's pretty bussin'. Can we get the action? Ooh, oh, well we got the flight here anyways. All right, nice. We just gotta get flight for Dead Laz now. Risk it for the biscuit. Both of them were bomb synergy items. It's whatever. Yep, there's secret room. Oh, Eternal Heart. Well, I could have sworn I had 4 hearts on Mr. Laz here, bro. I could have sworn. I don't know, man. Maybe I'm tripping. Could have sworn I had 4 heart canisters on this man. Whatever, game. Whatever. Ah, we were so close to killing him. Fuck you, bitch. Oh, there's the angel room door again. Yep, there we go. We'll just grab it. And down we go. Pretty good. Pretty good so far. Pretty good. Alright. What do we got for me, Stairway? What do we got? Oh! I can't afford it. And then the thing under it is Scapular, which I don't really care too much about. What's under this one? Circle Protection's kind of trash. The only thing good here is Pascal's Candle, but I can't buy that. Ipecac doesn't seem to be doing as much damage as I think it thought it would. I guess it bases it off whoever is playing or whatever character is on the field. I'm guessing that's what Birthright bases the damage off of. That's why Ipecac seems to be doing like 0 to no damage. Ow. Bro really got me there. Fuck, there goes my deal. Let me use my fucking bomb, man. What am I doing? I'm wasting so much time here. Yeah, it has to have based it off my fucking whatever character is on the field damage, because that was not Ipecac type damage, bro. That's for sure. Can we like hit our shots, please? Jesus Christ, man. It's getting fucking hot in my room, but my AC don't want to turn on. Why are we locked into Devil Deals? I didn't grab no Devil Deal. Oh wait, because I used Sacrifice Room last time. That's right. That's why. Because we need to get that Angel Deal first. In order to skip the Devil Deal, and then we'll get Angel Deals, like, straight up. Ow. That's exactly what I didn't want to happen when I pick Ipecac with Birthright. Maybe I gave the Soul Heart out of one of these. Nope. Oh, shit! Okay, well, I'd be damned. Alright. This is a bustin' run now, especially since we got a fucking Birthright. So we got the Ipecac getting shot out, and the C-Section always getting shot out too. So, sheesh. Let's go, bro. Oh! I'm gonna need that host hat, though. That's for damn sure. I'm gonna need a host hat or some shit like that. Oh. Well, okay. I'll take that. That's fucking money that I could use for stairways. I'm not gonna complain. Super secret. Yep. Blow that bitch up. Doesn't really help me out here, but I guess I could take some hearts. Not the worst. Oh, it's this guy. Sheesh, bro. Too easy, bro. Let's go. Finally, a good last run. Oh, yeah. I'm going to be getting a lot of money from, Headed Keeper, too. Oh. Gold coin. Okay, yeah. This mod's going to get irritating pretty damn fucking fast, bro. That ain't it, Chief. Wild card's nice. Those sounds are not very pleasant to the... I see fucking Twisted Pair back there, bro. Fuck it, we're gonna have to do it. Oh, I don't have it. No! I wanna flip! I just realized it, bro. Fuck! Oh, wait, Twisted Pair. I mean, wild card. Please?
Wild card.
Fuck, bro. I think it's that I had to use flip first and then wild card. Fuck, man. Well, I'm fucking locked into deals now for not a very good reason. Ah, I played myself real good there, man. I played myself real good. Fuck. That's a little bit annoying, but
Paralysis.
what can I do about it? Too late now to act upon. Yeah, at least we have enough money for Stairway, right? I need more range on C-section. So that she could stay up a lot longer. Oh, hey! Hey, we got back in! Let's go! Oh, we got Pascal's candle now. Pretty nice. And as, oh, I was just about to say, as long as I don't get hit, we'll be fine. And I blow myself up with my fucking Ipecac, dude. Yeah, I need me some fucking
Number 8.
explosion
Justice.
protection, bro. Like bad. Fuck it, knife piece 1. I don't even know who we should fucking go for at this point. There was Real when she in the shop too, right? So I can pull that bitch up, see what we get here. Nah, I'm not gonna buy it. Looks like we're gonna go into this fight with C-section. Oh, I mean, granted, we always have C-section proc now because Birthright. That's pretty nice. Wait. Sheesh, bro, look at that, man. Shred. I'm surprised I'm not getting that much money from Head of the Keeper right now. Or getting a lot more than I would think. The C-section works off of tick damage, so I expected a little bit more cash dollar than when I got there, but it is what it is. RIP the Twisted Pair though, man. Twisted Pair with that C-section, bro. Ooh, that would have been fucking beautiful. But it's too late now. I don't have enough. Hopefully, there's not a tier 3 item or a 30-cent item in the next floor. Hopefully. No, fuck it. Let's go Mother. We haven't been Mother for a while. I might regret this because of the little Mother run. I might fuck up on that and die, but we'll see when we get there. Okay, that's immaculate, bro. I was about to say, bro. Hey, man, got some extra smacks for me? No, you don't. You just got a pretty shit. Whatchamacallit? Ah, we're 1 coin short! Damn it! Damn it all! Unless this gives me a coin. Oh, Head of the Keeper. He fucking legend, bro. Head of the Keeper provided your boy with 1 more smack. Let's go. Ow. Can you die already, please? This is taking a little bit too long. Can Bro be deceased already? There we go. Whoop! Flip again. Pop. And pop. No, if I can buy that so hard too. Just to protect our deal. Woo! Hey, can we get a bookworm here? Oh shit! Book of Virtues? Oh my lord, bro! Let's go. Let's not pick any of those up right now though, because I could get Bookworm for both my boys. So we'll leave that there, right? Yeah. Okay, that shit stays. All right, nice. Oh. Okay. Euthanasia, I think, will be better off with Alive Last with the C-section. Ow. Yeah, C-section is being a menace, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Something's wrong. Not C-section. I mean, Ipecac being a menace right now. Most of my damage is coming from fucking Ipecac, not even the enemy. This is running into my own fucking Ipecac. Get this soul heart. Yeah, there was a soul heart in here. Alright. It was a risky game taking that path I just took. Fuck me, bro. You see what I'm saying, bro? I just hit myself with that Ipecac again, bro. It's stupid, man. I need me some fucking bomb protection. Fast. Explosion protection. Oh, no, wait. I just remembered. I grabbed Immaculate Heart with fucking Ipecac. We're gonna have that fucking... Oh, that's not very chimpin', man. Take this with us for sure. We don't need this. Might as well pop this right now. And Book of Revelations, baby. There should have been Bookworm for both the boys. Whoa, calm down, man. You trying to fucking ambush me, bro? Boward Bill. We didn't find Secret Room yet. Oh, hello. Get fucked. Woo, almost hit ourselves there. I don't know why my boy over there is glowing like that, but we're just gonna ignore it. Money galore, bitches, let's go. Granted, it's still not enough to get stairway item again. But, oh, shit. I see that Jacob's Ladder, bro. I see that Jacob's Ladder. Yeah. I mean, it's not bad. But I want that. What's under it? Oh, restock. Those are good, but I need flip for that, bro. I need flip for both of these. Oh, that charge key. I forgot about that. Oh, and charge beggar. Okay. I see. We got some potential here. We got some potential. Might as well give the soul hearts we find on the floor to Dead Last, because Alive Last has got Book of Revelations. Or should I save it? Restock would be hella nice. But I don't know if I should save it for, save the money for Stairway or not. That might be a better idea. But who knows, man? We could get something busting in there. We'll come back as Dead Last to get that in a bit. Oh yeah, let's grab Euthanasia before I forget about that shit. Oh. Actually, nah, let's do this first. We'll pay this man some money. Hope he fills up my flip charge. Okay, looks like we're... No, bro, fill up the flip! Not the revelations! Okay, maybe after the revelation is filled, he'll fill up flip. Okay, that works too. Alright. We wanted to use this inside the item room for Jacob's ladder, but let me grab this real quick. Might as well pop it right now. What was this first item? Zodiac. Might as well just fucking take it. Switch over, Jacob's ladder. It would have been better the other way around, but I'm not. Well, I mean, I could have done that actually. Because now I can't get, whatchamacallit anyways. Can't get the, shop item. But it's too late now. Alright, we're just gonna move and groove. Thank you for your time, man. Alright. Yoink! Super Secret's probably straight down there. No? Interesting. No, it is down there. Just mix. Oh, shit. Ooh, that's bad. Seraphim, though. I'll take that. Now both guys can fly. Let's go. And it's clutch. Not my favorite boss. That's all I gotta say. Bro, look at the tears on my boy. Fucking alive last is popping off here. Well, I mean, it's granted it is because of Pascal's candle. So Pascal's candle's putting in the work, man. Oh wait, that's why I couldn't fucking pick it up, because I was looking at dead lads instead of alive lads. I was like, what the fuck? Why can't I pick up this fucking coin? All right, we're 1 coin short. What are we missing out on? We got flight, bro. That shit don't matter. I mean, Purgatory's nice and all, but we don't need it, bro. We can save this money for later. Oh, hello. We can do Mother Run right now if we wanted to. Great. Pop, pop, and let's go. We got a shit ton of HP with dead lads too, so not too shabby. Well, we're gonna survive this one for sure. Ain't no way. If I die somehow with this much HP, I'm just fucking that bad, bro. But I have confidence in myself. Yeah, we're probably gonna get hit like once or twice. It's not gonna be a big deal. We missed boss rush already, but it's whatever. It's not like we're going for boss rush and just run anyways. I mean, getting the boss rush would have been nice, but it's not like that was our main goal here. Oh, that was close. Get juked, bitch! Ah, you're blocking my fucking way, bro. Come on. That's not very cool of you, mother. Alright, calm down. Can you stop, like, going to my path, please? Oh, fuck. Oh, we somehow dodged that. We take those. We take those. Fuck you, fat bitch! Let's go! Let's go! Looks like we can't get into the boss challenge room. It's whatever. Oh, I meant to pop that with alive lads, but okay, we did that a little bit too late. Some thorium? Nah. Oh look, Gimpy made his return. You know what? And the log stick's not too shabby. I'll take it. It's pretty much a tears up, and I can just aim diagonally now, so that's not bad. 2 soul hearts. Fuck it. Hey, secret room 2. Let's go. Howdy. Oh, nice. Should we see what's in there? Yeah, fuck it. Let's see what's in here. What we got? Ooh, a floor resetter. Ah, you fucking bitch, bro. Alright, that last one's gonna have to wait. I'm gonna clear the rest of this floor first, and then we'll come back for that. Oh, this is looking like a Gideon here. That's not very nice. I mean, granted, we got C-section, so Gideon is nothing. And I just hit myself, so there goes Pascal's candle. Yep, Gideon. Figured as much. Ow. I don't even know what hit me earlier, but alright, man. No one was shooting nothing. I still got hit by something. If anything, it was probably that fucking, if anything. That it? Oh no. This is the last wave, alright. Hey, Angel Deal! You know what, fucking grab meat too. Howdy! Oh! Oh! Star Bethlehem's good. Oh, wait, Eden Soul, I mean, not Star Bethlehem. Yep, I guess we'll grab Eden Soul then. RIP to my, whatchamacallit? Book of Revelations, there you go. I need some speed ups for my boy here. Bro's going slow as fuck. I'm just gonna blow up this reroll machine because I don't really care too much about these items. Oh, and I mainly want to use my money in Stairway anyways. Humbling. We'll grab Humbling Bundle. We'll grab that for sure. I don't know if it will affect my Head of the Keeper, but if it does, that's beautiful. So we'll be making. Oh wait, yeah, I forgot about this. Off rip. Oh, that would have been great. That would have been fucking amazing. I mean, we're getting not quite enough money, but if he could drop, of course he doesn't. We're 3 coins short. Both of those would have been pretty fucking amazing. Yeah, it's whatever. It's only the mantle. I could survive without mantle. With the amount of HP I got, I'm fine. Judgment. Might as well hold on to it. We're not gonna do Mother Run again, cause no point. We just got hit a shit ton there, though. Humbling Bundle. There, we got enough money for next floor now. Unless there's something good in this. In the shop, at least. If there's something good in the shop, well, we'll buy. Ow. I just wanted to check for Secret Room, man, but I got hit because of it. Oh, wait. Bruh, it could have been there anyways. Might as well blow up. Actually, I should have probably played that a little bit, huh? I should have probably played that a little bit. Eh, it's too late now. Ow. We got Sacrifice Room. We could play that if we don't end up getting a deal. And a battery, nice. Eden Soul is maxed out now. You read what you got. Steam sale. It's a tad bit late for that, but we still got some more to do. All's not gone for you. So. You know what? Explosive is actually fucking pretty good too. Or am I thinking about Fire Mind? Is Fire Mind the one that sticks in the whatchamacallit? Oh look, Gimpy's really paying out a little bit. You know, I'm just gonna play it right now. Oh wait, no, that's not the best idea. Mainly because I don't got a flip ready, and I don't think I'll be able to get a flip ready either. There was no battery in the shop. Oh yeah, shop was just fucking greed. So looks like only one of my boys are getting items this time. Yeah, this is the last one. Oh, or not, baby. Let's go. Let's go. All right. Can we get a teleport? Ah. Item at least? Ah, that's kind of annoying. All right. We got a 40% chance to get this angel deal, though. So if that ends up working, amazing. If not, well, I'll be damned. Forgot to check for sea room. Yep, there it is. Hey, quarter. I'll fucking take it. Since we got one more shopping on, not too shabby. See, this would have been a perfect time to get had restock, bro. It would have been perfect. Surprised I didn't get hit there. Oh yeah, I'm definitely surprised I didn't get hit at that last one there. That was definitely a moment to get hit at. Ain't no running away, bitch. Yo, goofy ass back here. Hey, let's go. Yeah. Oh. Nah, we can still pop Eden Soul. We can still pop it. Not the best. That's fucking trash, but Eden Soul. I mean, we got a revival now, I guess, but not the best. Not the best. Could have been way better. Alright, down we go. Oh, I wasn't even looking at chat. What's good, Rocket? Alright, what we got? Genesis? Should we use Genesis? Nah, the run's too good to use Genesis. I can't be risking it. We'll play this guy though. What we got? Just sitting here, just waiting slowly until he pays out. You know what? I'll take it. Can't really complain about that. We'll take it. Yeah, bro, we're shredding, man. This runs. Oh. I was looking at the wrong fucking guy again. I was like, why the fuck am I not picking these pennies, bro? We actually got a good run for once, man. The past few days been nothing but a rage fest for me. Verp, that'll verp into something's wrong, so we're not gonna take that if it does jack diddly squat for me. Tears is fucking amazing right now. That rips into a power pill. Not gonna bother. Oh. Well, ain't that something? And I did it again. Bro, I keep hitting myself with this fucking Ipecac, bro. This Ipecac is getting on my nerves. This Ipecac is not it. 8-inch nail in Kang's other eye. You know what? I need the damage. We'll take it. Kang's other eye is gonna hurt me more than help me, but we'll take it. Yeah, that's definitely gonna hurt me a lot. the fucking Immaculate Heart ain't really helping either. Immaculate Heart's making it a little bit scary. Having the Ipecac tears just fucking circle around me. Lost Quark doesn't really help. Oh shit! Okay, I just hit a fucking huge lag spike. Oh, I'm playing as Deadlands. Like, who the fuck am I playing as right now? Yeah, most of my hits aren't even from fucking enemies at this point. It's just been from myself. I'm a menace to myself. If one of these good pills is good, we got that burp.
Shots.
That's not that good. That's alright. That doesn't really help. Almost hit myself again. If we get conjoined, that'd be amazing. Boom. Most of my fucking damage is just me fucking damaging myself, man. Crazy. Alright, what we got? What we got? Come on, man. You're a fucking party. I can't use any of it, though. This ain't it, Chief. Oh, hey. Oh, granted, we can't use it, but... Alright. Might as well pop Book of Baloo. There we go. Easy. Aw, man. No fucking deals? Come on. Alright. Stairway, give me something good. Oh, it's too late for that now, Abel. You know what? That's another... Oh, but conjoins on, Dead Last. Yeah, we'll fucking take it, though. Might as well play this Judgment right here. Or Beggar, rather. Not Judgment. Hermit card. We could use that. Yeah, we could use that still. A beanie! We can't use that! We cannot use the bean. Alright, what we got here?
Number 9.
Bomb's key, very late on that, but I guess we can still take it. 9 volts not bad either. Fuck it. Oh, hey, that's a luck up.
Luck up.
Might as well grab that too. Doesn't hurt. Well, I'm not gonna risk my life to grab those coins over there. Justice.
Number 8. Justice.
Might as well look for... Ah, the frames! Okay. The frames died on me for a second there. Could be good if we got a sacrifice room. Ow. There goes Pascal Candle. It's gone now because I got fucking hit by my own Ipecac again. I am my own enemy right now, bro. All the damage I'm taking is coming from fucking Ipecac. We still gotta look for that secret room, so we're not done. Bro thinks I'm watching fucking chat 24/7. SMH. El Bozo, Abel. God fucking damn it, bro. Ipecac was not it. That's all I gotta say. Ipecac was not it. I'm just getting hit by my own fucking Ipecac, man. It's stupid right now.
Number 20.
And it's not the... You know what? We could spare some hearts. That's not very bussin'. Not very bussin'. I'm not gonna even attempt playing that one because that I see that fucking trap there, bro. I'm not that stupid, bro. That trap's gonna fucking drain me of all my HP. I ain't having it. The devil. Way better than my bad gas pill. Ooh, my Vis almost died there. That wouldn't have been very bussin'. Oh! Eve's Mascara. Fuck yeah. Oh, wrong thing. There you go. Might as well grab Bob's curse too. Now we're 2/3 Bob. Should we? Yeah, actually, yeah. Let's play this guy a little bit. Fill up our little flip. He's filling up the wrong item right now, man. Not very bussin'. And you know what? I'll fucking take it. Well, doesn't look like our flip's getting filled up. Should we play Sacrifice Room? Fuck it. Let's go. Oh. Well, we're gonna have to go Sacred Heart, bro. So at least now my Ipecac is homing, so I don't gotta worry about that hitting me too much now. So that's a plus side, I suppose. And we got a pretty fat fucking damage up from that too, so not too shabby. Take it, take it. Damn, shit's homing and it still somehow hits me, bro. SMH. Let's take damage up. We're going for Mother anyways. Damn, bro, I still got hit there. SMH. If we could switch... Ow. Because Deadlast do need some HP Dizzle Whizzle right now. He does need some HP. Oh. Well, okay. I guess that's another damage up for that. I didn't even pull that bitch up. Oh, wait. I see that fucking crown. I see that crown, bitch. Looks like it's going to dead fucking flat. Man, that last is getting everything, bro. What the fuck? Bro's getting all the fucking items here, man. Alive Blast needs some love too. Well, I mean, granted, Alive Blast has C-section, but bro needs some love too, man. Oh, we found Secret Room on accident. Cool. You know what? We'll take it. It is some HP. Man, fuck it. Deadlast's build out here is just fucking broken, man. Woo! Look at that Revelation fucking laser, man. Jesus. It shreds. Especially since it has Ipecac on that bitch. Oh, hey, we got 2 bits as well. Let's go. Who the fuck's still alive? Oh. We got arcade. We can play some, use our money on that. Ow. Yeah, I'm just getting hit by my own Ipecac at this point. I'm a menace to myself. Oh, hey. Oh, that's broken her watch. Oh, we got it. All right. Oh, okay. All right, Chief. Not gonna complain about that. That's Dead Onion. The Bibble. I don't care too much about the Bibble. We'll take this. I guess we can grab Dead Onion. Yeah, fuck it. We'll grab Dead Onion. I don't really care too much. I mean, it spins down into the Tears Up, so that's gonna be good for both Dead or Alive Blast or HP. Okay, it's fine by me, I suppose. What we got? Kills. Tears Up. Fine. Okay, another fucking health up. Getting a lot of health up here with Laz. Or dead Laz, rather. Yoink, yoink. Ow. Dead Laz is a fucking menace, man. Bro's a fucking menace. I'm fucking scared to shoot, man. I'm scared to shoot with dead Laz on the fucking field. Bro's gonna get me killed at some point. And it fucking Immaculate Heart does not help either. That shit does not help. And the reason why I say that, I got fucking Ipecac tears spinning all around me. That shit's, yep, just like that, bro. Just like that. I got hit because of it. As I said, bro. As I think. Yeah, you know what? Let's just fucking move on. I'm surprised none of my fucking familiars have been dying, dude. We got a whole army building up here. Ow. And it's a kill. We'll give it to this one. Yeah, let's just go down. Okay. Pretty good to run. Pretty good to run. Stairway. What we got? Purity. Not bad. And we, you know, Soul Heart. And then we'll play this. He's probably just gonna get me health up or something. Yep, health up. Yoink. I'll take it. I do need HP. Oh. Oh, wait. I was like, when the fuck did I get Taurus? And I remembered. Is there even any point really grabbing these coins anymore? Not really, huh? I'm doing a hell of damage, but these Ipecac tears are scary, man. A little bit too late for Counterfeit Penny. So that doesn't really help me out too much here. We do have enough HP to fill up the heart. Yeah, well, yeah, we're fine. We got the fucking Crown of Light back. Let's go. Man, at this point, fucking... we don't even got... Oh, shit. What the fuck? A fart, maybe? Okay, I'll take it. Oh, no. I forgot he was one off of, Conjoin. This Ipecac's gotta be hella scary, bro. Easier room clears, though, I guess. Oh. Yeah, we're doing like fucking shitload of the damage. But the chance of me hurting myself is pretty damn fucking high too, so. We still gotta play it kind of safe. All I gotta say is Mother's not gonna have a good time. Oh, Isaac. Okay, I'll hold on to it, I guess. That's if we even get any items. At this point, yeah, I'm pretty... We're already at the... We're heading towards the mom fight, so we're not gonna be getting any more items. Okay, this guy's gonna be a little bit annoying. Especially since I'm in this tiny crowded area. Let's just blow ourselves out, bro. This ain't it. Bro's taking like 20 fucking years to open up. And shit don't lead anywhere anyway, so. Get this shit over with. Whoop! I didn't mean to kill him. I was thinking of playing him. But too late now. Bro's dead. Alright, mother. Here we come. What the fuck are you even talking about, Abel? What the fuck is my booty? I'm talking about the fucking song. It has to be. Oh. Okay, yeah, we're fine. We're chilling. Look at that. We're chilling. Oh, forgot about that laser. It's coming from the fucking cat mod, bro. The cat coin mod. That's where it's coming from. Shield is really helping me out here, eating up all this damage that I should be taking. But yeah, let's go! You win! Sheesh. We got torn card now, man. Unlock number 3, baby. Let's go!